and in this video I will demonstrate a short program that checks whether a file name follows a Unix file naming rules using a regular expression. So the assignment required us using either Python or Java, and I implemented my program in Java. The goal for the program is to check if a file name contains only the allowed characters defined in the Unix naming rules. So according to the rules, a valid Unix file can contain uppercase, lowercase letters, numbers, periods, underscores, and commas. However, a file cannot be a single period or double periods because those represent special directory references in the Unix system. So I will demonstrate the program with a few examples. So the first example is, let's run the code. So the code prompts us to enter a file name. So the first example that I will use is notes.txt, which is, it's a valid Linux file name. I will use another valid example, which is my file 1, and it says valid Linux file name. And now let's try adding a space in our file name, such as my file, and it will say invalid Linux file name. And let's try with just a period, and it will say invalid Linux file name. And let's do double period, it will also say invalid Linux file name. So as shown in these examples, the program successfully checks whether a file name follows the Unix file naming rules by using a regular expression. Thank you guys so much.